Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi, and as always, we are doing some glam nails, and today's nails are going to be celebrating a holiday we missed, which is International Surf Day. That was on Monday, and I just thought we'd do a beachy set, right? Just something fun and very beachy, just super beachy. Not as glam beachy, more fun beachy, but there's some glam elements, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm using that Kiara Sky Something Sweet because it is a very sandy color, and as you can see, I'm not bringing the color all the way down on the nails. We're just swooping it up into a diagonal sort of situation. Then we're going to come in with this blue, and that's going to represent our ocean, and it is the Lanfo cat eye polish, but we're not going to cat eye it. I just thought it was a pretty ocean color, right? So that's what we're going to do. You can see that this is not coming on very well, and that's because I'm dragging some of the sand color down with it. I'm not doing that on purpose. I'm just letting whatever happens happen, right? Because the sand and the ocean are all commingled together all the way through. There's sand all the way under the ocean. So if a little sandy shows through, it's okay, because that's the way the ocean really is. So now I'm going to take this. Guys, I'm trying not to sneeze. My allergies. Honestly, my whole body is revolting today. Not that it's revolting. Oh my goodness, excuse me. It is revolting against me, right? I've got some things happening today that are a little bit driving me crazy. So I'm taking this light blue, and I'm not really trying to ombre them so much. I'm trying to a little bit marble the colors together to give me a base to work on for the next layer that we're gonna do. And it is gonna be a slight marbling just at the water line. So I'm taking the light blue, a white, and the tiniest bit of that dark blue, and then we're gonna just marble it together. Boom, 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 boom. And then we're gonna come back into the nail in just a second after I make you stare at this for a little longer. And then we are going to repeat the process that we just did with the polish. I'm not going to use that little brush to melt them together, because we're going to, on the wet, just bring in the marble. So you'll see what I mean in just a second. Oh, guys, my nose is freaking out right now. Let me get a tissue here. Ooh-wee. So here we come. We're coming in with some tissue, but with that sandy color first. Then we're going to hit it again with that blue. And we are not going to cure this before we start our marbling process. And really that's just creating that line where the surf is coming in, because this is celebrating the beach and surfing. Now, let me explain to you a little bit why we missed this holiday. Normally I have a dry erase calendar up, and I go to calendar.com, and it's calendar with 2 R's, not one. And I go through all of the month and decide which things I'm going to celebrate, and I write them on my calendar, and I'm prepared and ready to do them. My calendar wasn't up, so there you go. I missed some stuff. Guys, this is our little marbling. It is just representing that surf water, when the water gets all bubbly and white and beautiful as it's coming up onto the shore. And so we're giving it that little bit of that feeling. On this one, we're going to pull down. You know how sometimes it comes in a little bit and there'll be a couple lines of that? We're going to add that here, and we do that on one other nail as well, I think. Anyway, let's just keep going with that process. It doesn't have to be perfect. It honestly, it's better if it's not. How could it ever be perfect? Because every wave is different, and every shoreline is different, and every connection between the ocean and the sea is different. And so every time you look at the water coming in and you see these little bits of bubbles and flotsam and jetsam, they're going to be different. So these are some stickers that I bought. and we're gonna use some of them. On this one, we're gonna put a little drink because we're having a day at the beach. So we need some beachy things to be with us on the beach. We'll be thirsty, so we're going to have that drink. I put that down in the wrong place. That's okay, I will figure it out. I will figure it out right there. Now, I'm gonna tell you there's a few things that I put down and I took back up. It took, like right there, there's those surfboards on the pinky. We're not gonna keep those, guys. That's not gonna stay. Don't get excited. There is gonna be a surfboard, but it's gonna match our color scheme a little better. Honestly, I think those two surfboards look a little bit like a leaf and a corn on the cob. And as soon as I set them down, I was uncertain. So I took them off, and here we come with our blue surfboard, which works much better. It fits in with our colors better. And then we are gonna come in with something else. What is it? What is it? Guys, I can't see what I'm doing. It is just that little chair that we saw, because you know, after you surf, you wanna put your board in the sand and you wanna sit down on a chair. I assume, because I have never been surfing, but I've been to the beach many times. And I like a chair at the beach. I'm gonna say it's fun to not have to sit on the sand or to sit on a blanket that's constantly getting filled with sand or a towel. So I took that hat off. I wanted the hat, but I didn't like it with the drink. So I set the hat, like I threw it off of me and just threw it off to the side. And now I'm looking at it and I'm deciding, is that it? No, that's not it. We need some sandals. Why? Because you wear sandals to the beach, of course. So we're gonna get these little flip-flops. Now the trick with these little stickers is to be gentle when you start to pull them up, because it's real easy to stick them together, like to fold it over and stick it to itself. And it doesn't like to come apart. Now, I thought we needed a little bit of something of a sea creature, so we went with a sea star. And it's cute, it's perfect, just right there. And we need one more thing, so I found another sheet that had a ball on it, and I thought, we went surfing, why not play ball? Or maybe that's a ball from another family down the road or down the beach. And boom. There we have it, our nice little beach ball. I think that beach ball is cute. And that sheet is very Florida, so I think we need to do a Florida set. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comment section below. There's also a ton of flamingos in these stickers, so I think we definitely need to do a Florida set, right? So we're gonna come in with our top coat, and for some reason, I'm struggling. Like I've never top coated before. But there we go. As the shine hits it, it just really, I think, brings it to life. Although, honestly, I think you could probably do a matte top coat on this, no problem, because the sand is not usually super, super shiny. Although the sun does bounce off it, and really, it can make you hot and give you a bad sunburn. So don't forget your sunscreen. That's how you keep it glam. Guys, this is our finished set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I think these came out super darling. I think if you are going to the beach, these would be a super fun set to wear. I also want to thank you guys very much for spending some time with me this week. You guys are the bomb. If you've not clicked all my buttons yet, please be sure to do so. We are going to see you Tuesday for some more cool nails. Mwah! Bye-bye.